Are you looking to boost your income in record time? Well, I've created a list of 4 ways to make fast money. Since breaking the law or doing anything unethical is off the table, this list will only focus on real ways to make money the same day or within 24 hours. So since you're trying to make fast money, I'll keep this video short because time is money. Let's get started. Number 1 is go door to door. Going door to door isn't just for Girl Scouts selling cookies. You can also go door to door and ask people if they need any tasks completed, such as pressure washing the windows or cleaning out the gutters. Going door to door and soliciting services can get you some quick money when you don't have much time to set up a website, advertise your services, and wait by the phone to see if someone will take you up on your offer. As always, be careful when going door to door. Make sure you do this during the day and possibly with another person. Number 2 is donate plasma. Well, technically, it's not a donation if you're selling a piece of yourself, so what is plasma? Well, I'm glad you asked. Here's a quick science lesson. Blood consists of various components, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, all held in suspension by a clear yellow liquid called plasma. The plasma transports essential substances like antibodies, nutrients, and waste throughout the body. So donating plasma saves lives and allows you to make some quick money, which is a win-win. Also, some local plasma centers allow people to donate up to twice a week, which can earn up to $800 in the first month. Number 3 is pawn or sell your stuff. If you have valuable items that you no longer need, you can pawn the items in a pawn shop. You can also sell them online through platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Take clear photos, write compelling descriptions, and set reasonable prices to attract buyers quickly. Number 4 is earn-in. This idea technically isn't about making money. Rather, it's an advance. If you have a job but you're low on cash before your next paycheck, you can download the Earn-In app. Once you create an account and verify your paycheck, you can transfer up to $100 per day or $750 per pay period to your bank account. The best part is that you don't have to pay any interest or fees. But the app does allow you to make a tip. And any money that was advanced to you or the optional tips will be taken out of your paycheck once your paycheck hits the system. There you have it. We hope you found these 4 ways of making fast money helpful if you find yourself in a bit of a financial rut. No matter what, don't get discouraged. Try these ideas out until you find your multi-million-dollar idea. So, go ahead and start making that money, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.